I have a Beko fridge freezer. The unit is not cold enough. At the highest setting on the dial, coolest setting, the fridge is 20 degrees, whilst the freezer is -5 degrees. Is this the control board or thermistor? If the latter, how do I replace this on model K60315H? Thanks.
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
Beko model K60315H. About 4 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Depends on the complexity of fitting a new thermistor.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, not that I can think of.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Hi, can you check the model number, please? As the one you posted isn't coming up and I've not heard of that one before. If you look inside the fridge, there will be a sticker usually behind the salad box and the model number will be on there. Also, if you feel the compressor at the back at the bottom, is it hot to touch?
Thanks, Daniel. Compressor is hot. I have some other detail found on the label inside the fridge. Model K60315H/B776 product code CF6914 APU product no ###. Does that help, Ben?
Thanks for that. I'm afraid this isn't either the control board or the thermistor, I'm afraid. If the compressor is hot but the fridge isn't cooling and the freezer's defrosting, then it's a system fault. These Bekos are prone for failing. This will be either a poor pump compressor or it's short of gas. For this you need to get a fridge engineer in, as this isn't a DIY fix. They will need to put their gauges on the pipe work at the back to see what pressure it's pumping at. But what I find a lot on these is it's usually a compressor fault. Now this is an expensive repair and usually not worth fixing, as a compressor replacement is about £250 to £300 mark. Sorry, it's not good news, but don't bother replacing the control board, as this won't cure the fault you have.
Thanks, Daniel. That's a pity, expensive pity. Just to confirm, the freezer is keeping a constant -5, so it is cool but not cold enough. Does that make difference to your answer? Thanks, Ben.
As to the freezer, you will find this will lose its cooling sooner rather than later, I'm afraid, so the answer is still the same. Sorry, frowns.
Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.